Hey everyone, it's me Jake here. Today, this thing's supposed to come in on Monday, but it just came in early. So this is a Delta MD88 Skymarks, or I ordered it off eBay with my own money. So I got a bank account and I ordered this with my money. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. I'm gonna put this right here. See, as you know, this right here. It's pretty good. It's pretty nice. This is the Delta MD88. I've been on one of these before. And I'm looking so forward to flying one before it retires. These are the things. These are the airplanes. Delta 2. Yep. These are the wings. Let's just start with them first. It's pretty easy to put on. These are the engines and the stand that goes on last. Oh, there it is. It's in there. The stabilizers are in there. Okay, this goes in here. This goes in here. Okay. This one. Okay. I'm going to get this out. Look, guys. Goes on like this. Okay, got it in there. This one goes in here, and that one goes in there. There it is, the airplane. But last but not least, this goes to the stand. Hope they don't stop selling them. And there it is. And there it is. The new Delta MD88 Skymarks. I'm gonna put them up with my other models as well. Looks really nice. This is my first Skymarks model, the United one. The second one is where I bought at Heathrow Airport, and this is my third one. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.